ibn Burayda, he says, from the first of the people who, yani, this issue came about from them concerning the Qadr fil Basra, showing it either originated in Basra, which, yani, again, we said is part of the region in Iraq right now. Basra, yani Kufa, is the issue around Iraq. It either started there with this person, Ma'bad al-Jahmiyu, or it didn't start in Basra, but he's the first person, he's from Basra, and it originated with him. So either it originated from him in Basra, or it originated from him and he's from Basra. It can be understood either way they mention. Because he was in Basra at the time, and he was the first one to come with the statement. So it could be he's from Basra, and it circulated in Basra from him, or yani, it circulated from him, but he's not from Basra. He traveled to the area, like some people left Medina and they went to Baghdad. They died in Baghdad, but it's known they're Sahaba, they're from Medina. Or those people, they died in Baghdad, but they're from Mecca. They made hijrah from Mecca to Medina, and then after the Prophet died, they went to yani, Iraq. So they're actually not from yani, Iraq, but they died in Iraq. So either this guy is from Basra, and the statement originated from him, or it originated from him, and he was in Basra, not being from Basra. And this is the two ways they explain it, as the statement is general, but what is yani, predominantly understood, he was from the people of Basra as well. He was from that area. So فَانْطَلَقْتُ أَنَا وَحُمَيْدُ ibn Abdurrahman. So, Abdurrahman, actually Abdullah ibn Burayda, he left out with a companion called Humayd ibn Abdurrahman. So you have yani, Abdullah ibn Burayda, which is the son of Sulaiman ibn Burayda, who used to narrate from their father, and they narrated as well on Barakallahu Fikum Sahaba. Those two, yani, they set out as friends. Humayd ibn Abdurrahman and Abdullah ibn Burayda, they set out. They said, Hajjaini al Mu'tamaraini. Either they were going for Hajj, the two of them, like we said, Rajalani, Qadiyani. Here it says Hajjaini or Mu'tamaraini. This means either the two of them were going for Hajj or they were going for Umrah. The issue, they were going to Mecca to do one of those things. And they set out to find one of the Sahaba. They set out yani, to find one of the Sahaba to ask about this issue of the Qadr. And they left from Basra. فَقُلْنَا لَوْ لَقِينَا أَحَدًا مِنْ أَصْحَابِ رَسُولِ اللَّهِ صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم فسألناه عما يقول هؤلاء في القدر. They said so, and they're talking amongst themselves on the trip. They left Basra with the statement of the people denying the Qadr. They set out on Basra, and you go look at the map from Basra going down, yani south to Saudi Arabia, going over a little bit to the left, not too far, yani to the east, but a little bit southeast. That's a journey coming from Iraq, going down to Mecca. They set out either on foot or by animal. And they said, if we meet any of the Sahaba of the Messenger, anyone from amongst them, we're going to ask them concerning the statement of these people concerning the Qadr, and we'll take some benefit, and then we'll stop here. One of the things this shows is that they knew who the people on who the people, they knew who the people were that had the information about the religion of Allah Ta'ala. They had no doubt that asking someone from amongst them was not sufficient. Because had it been sufficient, they wouldn't have traveled from Basra to Mecca to make Hajj Umrah with the intention, if we see any one of the Sahaba, we're going to, in addition to that, seek ilm. We're going to ask them about their statement of the Qadr. And this shows the virtue of knowledge, and that even back then, those generations they understood that the people that carried the people that carried the religion of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they were the Sahaba. And this is something that from every time, from every walk of life, you will find some people knowing that knowledge of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the true knowledge of Islam, it lied with the Sahaba of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We'll stop at this part of the hadith. Sallallahu wa sallam wa baraka ala nabiyyina Muhammad. Alhamdulillah wa alameen. Any questions?
The Qadr of Allah,